Good evening, ma'am. I am Irene and I will be your student nurse for today. May I ask your full name and your date of birth, ma'am?
I am Donna Belisa and my birthday is on August 10, 2005.
So how are you feeling today, ma'am?
I'm not feeling well now.
Okay, so I will take your vital signs, especially your pulse, your oxygen, and your blood pressure. So first, I will take your temperature, ma'am. Is it okay to lift your sleeve so that I can put the thermometer under your arm?
Okay po.
So this may feel a little cool, ma'am, but it won't take long. So while waiting, I will take your oxygen and your pulse rate, ma'am. So please just relax your arms and I will put the pulse oxygen on your fingertip. So now, ma'am, let's proceed in taking your blood pressure. So please relax your arms, ma'am, and your feet straight. What's your initial blood pressure, ma'am?
I forgot now.
Okay, it's okay. So it will feel a little uncomfortable, ma'am, but it won't take long. Okay, ma'am, so now I will take off the BP cuff. So everything is in normal range, ma'am. Your temperature is 36.9, your pulse rate is 88, your oxygen is 98, and your blood pressure is 110/70. So this is normal according to your age, ma'am. So do you have any questions or concerns regarding your measurements? Okay, so I'll record these findings in your medical chart. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me now.
Okay po.
Thank you.